Alright, I'm going to show you how to wire up this battery. We got the red wire coming from the PCB. Let me get this one out of the way here. Just going to put that kind of right in the middle here and put the other two on the sides. Just melt it in, cool it off, let it go. This one we'll put on the side here. Yeah, it might be a little bit short. I think we'll get it. Trick is to melt it enough to get this one on without popping the other one off. That's why I put the first one in the middle. And then this one is the one that's going to go to the Profi board. Let me just bend that real quick. Makes it a little easier to get in. And put that one on this side right here. Clean that tip off a little bit, throw some flux on it. Make sure we're getting a good solid solder here. There we go. Alright, so here's our positive. Here's our negative to the board. We have our buttons, speaker, and this big green one is the data. I think we might have to fish for the negative from the PCB.